Here I've got OnePlus Nord, and let me show you how to change icon shape on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, go to customization and scroll a bit lower. Right here you will find system icons and icon pack. So right here you've got system icons and you can change it to square, teardrop, round, rectangle, it's up to you. So let me pick for example this one, apply it, and as you can see from now on it is changed everywhere. Here you've got it. But if you would like to apply some other icons, just open the same feature one more time and go to icon pack. And here, as you can see, you can change all the buttons. So let me apply it. As you can see, it is changed. Now it is square. And also you can download some more if you want to. Just tap on more. And here you've got all the options. Some of them are paid, some are free. So just download those that you would like to apply, mark it, and then install, for example, this kind of signs. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.